So now that we know how to return an HTML page, the question now is, can we return a variable to this HTML page and display its value in the index.html? Can we do that? The answer is absolutely. We can do that. So in the index here, suppose that we have here a variable called data, and that data is equal to this is my website, commoncode.com. And then we want to pass this string, we want to pass it to this index.html. How can we do that? Well, we can do that by adding here comma, and then we need to give a name to that variable. You can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it data just for the sake of consistency, and then equals to the data that you want to pass. So we want to pass this data variable. So here data equals to data, and then in the index.html, we want to access this data. We want to access it here in the index.html. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to remove this h1, and then I'm going to return, let's say, h2 instead of h1. And then in order to display that variable, in order to display that data variable, you need to use the double curly braces. So here, double curly braces, and then the name of the variable. The name of the variable is data. Now, if you save and if you execute the index.py, if you run your Python file here, and then if you head on over to your browser and refresh, guess what? You are going to get this variable. This is my website, commoncode.com. So it worked. And now you know how to pass data or variables from your py, from your Python file to your HTML files.